Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I have a quick Gmail tutorial for you. Do you happen to have Google Hangouts, Google Chat, or Google Meet way over on the side here and you'd like to get rid of it? Well, today we're going to show you exactly how to do that in Gmail. It's really quite simple to do, so check it out. All right, so here we are in my Gmail account, and you can go ahead and log into yours and follow along if you like. So again, what we're trying to do is get rid of the chat programs here on the side. So these might be Google Meet, Google Hangouts, or Google Chat over here on the side. So the first thing we need to do is get into the settings here in our Gmail account. So over in the top right-hand corner, you're gonna see a little gear or a sprocket. When you hover over that, it says settings. You can go ahead and left click on that with your mouse, and that's gonna take you into the quick settings of Gmail. So there's a whole bunch of settings in here, but at the very top it says see all settings. You can go ahead and left click on see all settings, and this is gonna load up the main settings for your Gmail account. Now from here in the settings, you're gonna see all sorts of tabs here at the top. You've got general, labels, inbox, and the one we're looking for is over here on the right-hand side. It says chat and meet. We'll go ahead and left click on that with our mouse, and this is gonna load up our kind of chat settings or the settings for the conversation tools here on the left-hand side. So the first one here, it says chat, and you might have it on Google Chat or Classic Hangouts. I happen to have it on Hangouts here, you can see. So there's an option here to turn these off. So if you click on this little spot here right next to off, it's going to turn that off. And we do need to hit save here to apply the changes. So I'll show you that in a moment. Right here it says chat position. So if you do want to keep these but move the location, you can move it from the left side of the inbox to the right side of the inbox. You could adjust that right there. And below that it says Meet. So this would be for Google Meet here. Show the Meet section in the main menu, which is what we have turned on right now. You can see that there. Or hide the Meet section in the main menu. If we want to hide it, we just go ahead and select in this bubble there. And once we do that, we're just going to go ahead, and this is the important part, just hit save the changes and watch what happens. All of those conversations tools disappear on the left-hand side here, and you're left with a nice, clean Gmail inbox. So I hope this quick Gmail tutorial was able to help you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media and subscribe here on YouTube. I'd love to have you join the Northern Viking community. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, take care.